If you've ever needed to analyze, share, or simply get a clearer overview of your Jira backlog in Excel, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to export your Jira backlog to a spreadsheet, and you'll understand each step so you can troubleshoot or adapt this process for any Jira project you manage. Let's get right into it. So exporting your backlog isn't as simple as pressing an export button right from the backlog screen, which I know would be ideal. Instead, Jira handles exports from a different area called the Issue Navigator. Think of it like stepping out of the visible backlog lane and heading into a more powerful control room where you can filter, sort, and export exactly what you need. First, we need to switch our view. In Jira, look for the main menu bar at the top. Hover over Filters, then select Advanced Issue Search. This takes you to the search screen where real magic happens. If you've only used the board or backlog view before, the Issue Navigator might feel a little unfamiliar at first, but trust me, this is where you get full control. The next, and honestly the most critical, step is filtering down to just the issues that make up your backlog. In the search bar, you'll see you can use something called JQL, which stands for Jira Query Language. Don't worry if that sounds technical, it's really just a special search filter that tells Jira exactly what you want. Your backlog is usually defined as all issues in your project that haven't been added to an active sprint yet. So you'll use a JQL query that looks something like project equals your project name and sprint is empty. If you're using classic project templates or company-managed boards, you might also add things like resolution is empty, so you're only seeing items that haven't been finished. And here's an important detail, make sure to actually replace your project name with your project's actual name or key in Jira. For example, if your project is called Website Redesign, your query would be project equals Website Redesign and sprint is empty. This step ensures you're exporting precisely what's shown in your backlog and not, say, closed or done items. If you're unsure which query to use, Jira actually suggests queries as you type, so just start and you'll see options pop up. Once you've run your JQL query, you should see a list of issues populate the screen. Take a moment here, scroll through and check the list. If you see anything that shouldn't be there or you're missing some issues, you might need to tweak your JQL search until it matches exactly what you want. This part can take a few tries, and that's completely normal. Now, before we head to the export, let's customize what data we'll actually be sending to Excel. Near the top right of your issue list, look for a Columns button. Click that and you can add or remove columns. These represent the fields each row in your spreadsheet will have. If you want to include things like story points, assigned to, or custom fields, add them here. Whatever you see in Jira's issue table is what will end up in your spreadsheet, so choose carefully. At this stage, you're ready to export. Look again to the top right of your search results. There should be an export option, often it's an ellipsis or says export. Click it and select Export to CSV Excel. Jira will instantly start generating your file. Depending on the size of your backlog, this might take a few seconds or a minute, so don't worry if it's not instant. Once your file is downloaded, open it up in Excel. You'll see your backlog neatly organized into rows and columns just as you selected in Jira. At this point, you're free to analyze, create charts, pivot tables, or share the file with your team. If you prefer, you can even save it as a standard Excel workbook file type. And there you go, that's how you can export your Jira backlog to Excel step by step. If this saved you time, hit that like button. It really helps other people find this tutorial. If you have any questions or you ran into something different in your Jira setup, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical how-to guides just like this. Thanks for watching and good luck managing your projects.